Hello and welcome to this live. And it's Monday morning. We have some fresh, lovely content for you. Okay, so it's been quite a gap. We really did want to kind of do this in the morning. So, yes, we haven't given you a great big announcement, but we did want to kind of come, show you all of this lovely stuff, and then kind of right there, you can see we have some beautiful, okay, yeah, we're all set. We have some beautiful pieces lined up for you, which are going to be in linen, and it's also going to be in tussar. So yes, a few thans in fact, of this one design came last week, and of course it was sold out, but we still have one more which has just come. So yes, that's why I'm wearing my beautiful tussar meenakari fabric, which I absolutely love, and I think it's so stylish with or without dupatta. This is a plain munga bottom because honestly you don't really need much. You can do a same on same and look superb, especially if you're going to go for something like a cord look and you're thinking you're not going to be wearing a dupatta, then it's going to be amazing. And this munga dupatta along with it. Okay, now this munga, it's perfect in this pink. You could of course pick up any one of the other lovely colors, even an aqua blue from it. It will all be amazing. And this fabric, I finally get a chance to show like a big lot to you, and also some color options which will also be coming up just now. Now first things first, this is 8,800. It's all this very beautiful karwa work in meenakari in tussar munga. Okay, so a lot of time we call it tussar, a lot of time we call it munga, but it's actually tussar munga. Now you see that I've worn this in pink. It goes perfectly with it. Alternatively, yes, you can also go for probably a natural munga dupatta that will look amazing in it. Okay, and now this is the next color that I have for you. You can see, oh, that's a really nice color. So what I'm also doing is giving you options that are going great with it. Light dupattas, lovely dupattas which will work perfectly if you're looking for that with a plain munga bottom. That's all that you need. I have the most brilliant linens also lined up as a than. Now look at that. This is just perfect. So aaj ka I'm not going to take much time. This is 8,800 per meter, and you can go for a plain bottom and then you will be done. Okay. Now with this one, there you go. There's another option in fact. So that's the great thing, that not only one, we have multiple options for you that you can go for, and you can really be wearing it with so many different kind of dupattas in this, like even a softer pink. But honestly, it is all about this wonderful work. If you feel that a dupatta will distract you away from it, skip it. Wear it like a nice cord, straight look, A-line look. You cannot go wrong. Now, one dupatta that will also look brilliant. Now you can see why. Because at the end of it, you can pick up any color of your choice. But it does need something which is delicate, which is beautiful, without overwhelming it. And the neem butta is a great dupatta also to be wearing. This neem dupatta, you can customize it in any color of your choice. Jo color aap bole, green bole, peach bole, wo ho jayega. And how are you really going to be placing your order is something which is very important to know. All you have to do is join our lives, okay? Join our lives, and then you are here online with us. ठीक है, आपने देखा जो आपको पसंद आता है, और उसके बाद it's super simple. All you do is send us a screenshot, and that's it. That's it. That's all that you're going to do. Now look at this. This is so wonderful. अब मैं आपको ये बताती हूँ that all of this, natural one, even the one that I'm wearing, they're all dyeable. You can get them dyed in any color. आप चाहें तो एकदम hot red भी करा लें. Of course, it will come in the tussar way, which is slightly deeper, very saturated, look beautiful. And then you go for a plain bottom in munga, and this is exactly how it looks, like a set. And suppose you say that you're going to be picking up the beautiful neem dupatta, then this is your look. You can also go lavender, of course all lavender. You can build in a contrast, and there you go. You have a full complete set for you to be able to see. As I said, we're going to go into fresh linens, the beautiful ones, and I have the most amazing 2 colors available with Meena. So yes, not only are we making these linen fabrics in Karwa, but we are also adding just a touch of Meena in it, and they're, I think, looking so beautiful wait till you see the next one. We have 2 color options for you. Next one more so because uske saath mere paas ek aur add on hai which is of the bottom, but I'll show it to you in the same way. Let's get the next one also lined up. I'll show you how. Now what you're doing is that you have this beautiful white and then you have this touch of red and then you have an organza dupatta that looks really gorgeous. Okay, now there you go. This is also the exact same colors of the Meena. This is organza buta. You wear this. Now there are so many ways to style this up, so I'm going to talk about it. One is that acha ye to thoda ek hi cut hai, so you can't do a same on same. You can do indeed a chanderi cotton white bottom, that's possible, and then you can do this glorious दुपट्टा ऑफ ऑर्गेन्जा. एंड देन अनदर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज दैट आप इसको बॉटम में पहने, इसको आप कुर्ते में पहने. वेरी कूल, very nice and really summery, you know, all in all. So there are many ways you can dress it up, pick up the one that you like the most. मेरा काम है बनाना और ये भी बताना आपको कि ये आप कैसे पहन सकते हैं. The next one I'm very kicked about. Okay, I'll tell you exactly why I'm so kicked about showing this brand new, very lovely color. You know, this color kind of, you know, I'm going to be honest, it kind of scares me. You know, I never know how it's going to look. So I was very, you know, kind of skeptical almost to the point of introducing this in our Meenas. And I'm just so happy that one can move beyond their comfort zone from time to time and then, you know, make something which is really great, which is something like this. That pop of blue just kind of completely changes and it's such a fresh color in our Meena. It gives me more confidence to make more of this. Now let's complete this, okay? First things first, I'm going to do 2 options of dupattas and I think, of course, the knee buta doing so fabulous with it as a look and you will see why. Look at that. I think it's amazing. Like, it does not get better than this. The greatest news is this is just come, which means that you do have 5 meters that you can go for and you can go for the complete look. Look at what perfection. These are 5,800 per meter. The dupatta 24,800 and there you go. And same on same karen, there will be nothing like it, or you do a plain chanderi and there you go. That's the look. Now you say that, you know, I love the fabric. The dupatta is also very beautiful. But probably I want to see one more option, a little more budget wise that, you know, can work with the dupatta, with the kurta. And then I say surely, because this is what you're going for. Now look at that. That's another option for you. And I think just as fabulous. Look at the gold. Amazing. Isn't that? It's just beautiful. This whole look as well. So same on same kare. Acha, ye dupatta 5,800. So that's also a great thing. And then, as if 2 options wasn't enough, we're going to go for a 3rd one. Now, I'll tell you one thing. Isko idhar hi rehne dete hain. Just let's do this. This is a different blue, but what I want to do here is show you that you can wear this as a dupatta. Again, ये जो अभी मैंने maroon वाला दिखाया, उसके साथ जैसे दिखाया, वैसे I've gotten it here. Just to show that you can do an organza dupatta and the buta one in the same blue. It'll look nice. You can do that. And you can also wear it as a bottom. तो थोड़ा सा कुछ fancy हो जाता है, and then probably you can add the dupattas. Yeah, then you can add the dupatta in this color. Okay, so we'll come back to those later, and then you can add this. Of course, ये blue same होंगे of the Meena, but you can do a cool organza bottom, this linen kurta, and then this dupatta. But honestly, आपको मैं दिखाते मुझे ऐसा लगा that this is very pretty, but I'll come back to this for something else, because I think for this what would be perfect is this or this dupatta, because there's nothing like it. And then of course a lighter one which is also reasonably good is this dupatta. Also makes you kind of wear it immediately. This is also very nice. And yes, the first off, and yeah, kind of go, I'm giving myself a, you know, a thing that it's a good thing that we tried. You know, we have to try, keep trying every day. Okay, now look at that. What do you see? This is our most beautiful premium cotton, and it's absolutely lovely. Okay, very intricate, very fine karwa work in it, and you can see this. I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, look at the detailing in it. Look at the 2 colors of Meena. I absolutely love this, and we also have a new color in it. But before that, we're going to show you 2 dupattas again. One is this light dupatta. I'm going to bring out this dupatta. So this is a wonderfully light and very pretty dupatta. This is 5,800 on its own. Now you see, I think this is going to look absolutely amazing with this. Yes, it does. So that's very, 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 very like light in the sense that really light to look at, very classy, very intricate weaves right there in this, and I think it looks absolutely lovely. So light pink is one thing, and then what we're going to do is, of course, we're going to bring back any hot pink dupatta, including this one, because I think this is also going to look really nice, So look at that. This, oh, how hot that looks. 18,800 for the dupatta, 6,800 for the fabric. It looks amazing. And what we have for you is another color in it, okay? Now, yes, as I said, I'm really getting myself in the blue zone in a good way, trying out these wonderful new colors. Now, look at that. That's a very, like a sky blue color, perfect sky blue. The way to wear it, बहुत बार मैं आपको बोलूँगी same on same करे. But when you're wearing this, just keep it for beautiful, nice kurta. And it could be, yeah, we could try that. We could be doing A-line kurta, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा, or you could be doing a straight white kurta. But the softness of this fabric, it's unbelievable. I don't want to crush it too much. I'm just going very gentle. It's unbelievable, the whole look finish of this beautiful fabric, okay? Now, some ways to dress it up. Isi ka pink bhi, let's try the pink of this particular one. Okay, now I'm just also trying it in front of you. Sometimes it's there in the back. Ye wale lot mein hoga, I think somewhere, Okay, maybe here. So let's try this. See, this is a really nice organza dupatta in gold, okay, and in blue. Perfect blue. It looks very nice. As the same on same, you gotta go for a blue bottom, for sure, in plain chanderi, and then you also go, like, you should see option, right? Because aisa na lage ki ye ho sakta tha, how will it look? It will look like this. I think it looks, both look very nice. To me, for this, I would imagine wearing a blue would be like a better choice for me. Like, that's how I kind of envision making it. But sure, like the pink does add a little bit hotness. You want to go even simpler. You say that, like, let's just do a really simple dupatta in organza, make it look very classy. Then this, I think, looks really good, which is organza buta and this, and a plain chanderi bottom. Sits in a great budget, looks great, feels great. It's like a win-win. Now, one of the most popular things that we've been doing, the sets. Now, we'll do the sets in this. Is that, okay, now I gotta need some mats. I need a mats of, let's do this, 5,800 plus 17,000 plus 2,450, okay? That's the mats that I'm just looking for. Give me a moment, I'll tell you exactly क्यों मैं ये mats ढूंढ रही हूँ. So I have the most wonderful premium cottons, okay? You have seen them. Now, many of you have said that, okay, yes, so that is 25 to 250, great. So बहुत बार ये बात आती है कि अगर इसको set हमें बनाना हो तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे, and that's what I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to make this as a set. I have everything ready for you. Okay, let's do one by one all of these. I'll just keep it folded and show it to you. I have now gotten it ready to show it to you. That's the dupatta. अब इसमें tassels add होंगे, that's the price. Now if you don't go for the tassel, थोड़ा price कम हो जाएगा, you can tell me. That's the plain bottom, okay? So when you go for this as a set, it is, what is it? 25,000? 25,250. There's a full 3-piece set. Kurta, dupatta, bottom. और मैं आपको, that's what I'm just going to do very quickly. Show that how you can wear these lovely, lovely pieces as dupatta, like as full sets, because that's what everybody said, that we love the premium cottons. We would like to know how is it that the full sets are going to look like, and that is what I'm showing you. This is how it's going to look like. Now this is a very nice kind of a shade of what do you say, pink? Yeah, pinkish. It's like a pinkish brownish. It's a very pretty shade. Uske saath ye chanderi dupatta you can take without tassel, with tassels. Without tassel, price will decrease, in fact. And then you have, yeah, how much? 22,650. So if you're going for a full 3-piece करवा set, that's the bottom, plain bottom ready है जाने को. अगर आप बोलते हैं पूरा सेट मुझे दिखाओ. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं इसमें जरूर दिखाना चाहूंगी, is a contrast दुपट्टा. Now it could be a light kota दुपट्टा or it could be even our knee buta. Is the knee buta here? Did I put it away? Like the pink knee buta would look fabulous with it as a georgette dupatta, because you know these can be a little more dressy. They will look really nice. I'm trying to extract it if we can. No worries, we'll go on to the next. But yeah, remember that you can see the georgette 24,800. Acha lagega. It'll look very pretty with it. And there you go. I'll show it to you exactly how. Look at that. That dupatta is back, because I think it's so versatile. Look at this look. Okay, and a plain bottom. Kahan hai plain bottom? Plain bottom is ready. Here you go. So you have a plain bottom. Ye suit, this dupatta, dressier version. It looks really good. Look at that. That's a plain bottom fabric. Very good quality. Okay. So that's the joy. You really can build it up, you know, while having the flexibility of still wearing a very dressy look. Now, look at this one. So pretty. This is the kurta. This is the bottom. And this is a very beautiful green shade to me. Okay. You say you want just a kurta and bottom, then this is what you're going for. And the total will be 19,450 for 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter. And that is such a great way to experience our, you know, Karwa Buta fabrics, our premium cotton, especially if you have not seen it. It is something else altogether, okay? So now this is a wonderful gold. Look at that. That's the last cut. Isi ka ye bottom hai. And I think a red dupatta would look so fabulous with it. I think a red dupatta would look amazing. Yeah, let's just show it like that also. So I'm going to give you a little bit of both. I'll show you a red dupatta. Iske sath, of course, the price will be a little different. मैं separately अगर आपको price बताऊं, that is what I'm going to do. This fabric is 6,800 per meter. Okay, this dupatta without tassels, it's 3,200, and then of course the bottom, which is 980 per meter. And जो मैं match दे रही हूँ आपको, it's for 2.5, all of that. Okay, so yeah, that's brilliant. So you know we have full 3-piece set, and then you're set to go. Now look at this. This is our newest color, lavender. It's very pretty. It's got a red meena. Okay, that's the bottom that you're going to be going for. So that's your bottom. That's your kurta. And then we have a simple but very pretty, very effective dupatta with it. There you go. And you have a full 3-piece set. Okay, and this whole 3-piece set you can just go for, like, without tassels अगर आप करते हो तो 23,000 ही आ रहा है, right? Yeah, 22,000, you know, something. That's really good because full 3-piece set हो जाता है, and it's so elegant. So when you're thinking, you know, of any event, you can be wearing this. It is, you know, so different from whatever you've thought Banarsis to be, okay? But that's my job, you know, to bring and make. And look at that. That's a wonderful white and red. Like, never ever wrong. अब इसके साथ इस दुपट्टे के साथ the price will be a little more. Then you can go for this all white look, okay? And it's just amazing. From that, we have one more color. We'll be doing that, and then I'll be going into linens and some more whites. Now look at that. This is such a hot one. This wonderful orange, okay? I'll tell you the maths also, you know, we do suits, fabric, dupattas, that's our specialization, and that's it. That's all that we do. Okay, now something that I want to tell you, it's amazing when you hear 6,800 per meter, okay, it does kind of sound like, oh my God, that's deep, okay? But first, I mean, you have to experience it, okay? So you have to experience this to know what it's worth. But second, if I tell you that the entire suit, and do I have a bottom with this? Not with this one, okay? So can I do this as a dupatta? Like if I do this, because it's a pink hair, but I want to do that hot pink. I think that's going to look better. Okay, we can even do a chanderi wala dupatta, which we were trying, but that's okay. We can go back to that later. But when you say that this entire suit, okay, with any of those dupattas, like the chanderi dupattas, iska thoda zyada hoega, is for like 22,000. Then it kind of says, oh yeah, that makes sense, you know. This one is a little more, okay. So this one will be with kota, that will be, yeah, kota ke saath jo main abhi dikha rahi thi, in any color, whether you go for an orange or a, you know, pink, it will be 23,050. And you can tell me ki wo kota ko is hot pink mein kar dein. So when you hear of a suit and as premium as this, in the 23,000 with a bottom, then it kind of just makes so much sense, okay, to kind of do it like as a three-piece set. So it's all about perception, because you get one nice suit. So we also want to give you the match, taki maybe you have a dupatta. Yeah, let's go for these. Maybe you have a dupatta and it works really well. Now I'm also going to be showing you our beautiful organzas, okay, which is Buta, which is like dye. Now look at this combination, it's so perfect. Okay, this dupatta 24,800, this fabric 3250 per meter, and when you see it together, it's so classy. You can also have this in brown, but I think it looks very beautiful with the gold karwa zari as a set. Bahut sundar, okay. Now something else altogether will be this blue. Okay, now what are you saying? This is a plain organza, and you're going to be making this as a kurta. And then you have the most amazing dupatta with it. Now look at that. Okay, so this one is a Georgette dupatta. You see that whole hotness right there. It looks grand. I think it looks stunning when you wear it with a plain one. And in fact, I think I insist that you should wear it like this, because Buta to hai and silk to hai. But you know, when you want to make it something different, then go for something like this. This dupatta, glorious with all its tassels, etc. एक और ऐसा ही combination, I think it's the last in this kind that I'm going to be showing you, and that's going to be organza Buta, and I have the most wonderful silk tissue dupatta with it, and there you go. Look at that, so classy, okay. And let's do a total. Let's do 8125 plus 5625, okay. So 8125 and 5625, and then 26,800, okay, which is, so you have this kurta 2.5 meter, this beautiful silk dupatta, tissue dupatta, and a plain silk bottom, 40,550. And it's just wonderful. Look at that, you know, the whole thing. I think it looks so rich, so wearable, and also something that you really can, you know, dress up or keep it as it is, okay. It's really possible. Handwork add kar de, heavy jewelry add kar de, and it will completely take it to another level and league, you know, that whole look. Two very stunning dupattas that I have for you. और मैं इसके साथ I'm also going to show you our Karwa Buta linen fabrics, and I'll tell you particularly why. Because first thing first, try these lovely new dupattas in organza. This one is 12,800, okay, and it's so pretty with all of its detailing right there. So look at that, you can see all of that detailing right there. We've also added some touch. If you want to kind of keep it like this, you know, with the crystals, you can do that. Just an option so that you really can have something really fun and very nice, okay. Now this one's 12,800 as a dupatta. What you can do is you can wear white linens with it. The other thing, okay, we don't particularly dye our white linens. We prefer it when white. We definitely don't do any dark colors in it. But if you tell me, yaar, ye pink kar do, I will be able to do it. And I think also that the white and the pink on its own looks really good. What am I holding? I'm holding our ever bestseller linen fabric in white in this very beautiful, oh, look at that. Isn't that amazing how it moves? I have enough for a same on same. That's the best news. And this is our new Butas which we have launched in linen, okay. And look at how glorious they are, how soft it is. And of course, if you want to kind of save on the cost, then you can always go for plain chanderi bottom, otherwise do a same on same. These you can get it by the meter as much as you want. These are what, 5,400 per meter, and it's beautiful. The Meena ones 5,800. Now I'm going to go for the other one, which is this. So you just saw a gold motif, and now I'm showing you the silver motif. So yes, this time and for this season we've made both. We haven't had a chance to show you much, in fact, because yeah, they're always constantly on pre-order. That's the beauty of linens and white linens. Just look at the effect of it. You know, I've done like a top and bottoms with it. I've seen so many of you do like a long kurta bottom with it. Some of you have also seen, you know, wearing linen dupattas with it, you know. So there's so many ways to kind of dress this up, but make sure that you have, I mean it, that sometimes I wonder that, you know, yeah, we do a live and that's such a great opportunity for us to reach to you worldwide. But sometimes I really think that, you know, I really wish there was a way that you could kind of just experience this. Of course, we have done the trunk show. You can visit our studio. You can order it But you know, the beauty of these fabrics, it's unbelievable, you know, it's unbelievable. So the other way of really just going about it is just बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ना लें, 2.5 मीटर कपड़ा लें. But I really would love for you, and I'm always constantly trying of new ways where you can experience our fabrics, because I tell you, there is nothing like it. Okay, and I really mean that. Now, there is one dupatta that's also really pretty coming in for the first time, and let's remove this, let's go back to this, let's do this, and let's be done with. Okay, so that's going to be the last bit. Look at that wonderful organza dupatta, again something that we've tried for you. It's amazing. Okay, what are you seeing? You're seeing the most elaborate handwork all right there. Now I'm going to show it to you like this, and it's absolutely pretty. What a neutral color to be wearing organza. Wear a same color kurta. अच्छा, kurta जब आप पहने तो you know, you should add the karwa buta in organza if you don't want to go plain. You can also in fact go for chinia buta with it. It will look very, very beautiful. Look at that dupatta, it's amazing. Now, one really wonderful way of wearing it is with this bigger motif. So we've got two motifs in gold. There's the bigger motif, and then there was the smaller motif, and you can choose either one of these. Now look at that, that is one look. I'm just showing it to you. You can also tell me to make this dupatta in any color of your choice. It's going to be possible. I just wanted to show it to you because this is such a neutral piece to be having. Like, you can like really be wearing this on any color. And again, I just want to very quickly show you that we've got these two motifs in gold, one in silver for you to choose from, and it's something you absolutely cannot mix. Okay, something you can also do, wear this as your top, wear this as your bottom. That's also possible, and it also looks fabulous. अच्छा, एक चीज जो हमें बहुत on repeat we are getting is that we must show our Katan silk Bandi fabrics that are available and ready to be shipped out in a live again. Okay, so we've done thank you so much. Okay, we've done one live, of course, dedicated to the new launch of it. The look that I was wearing has been on pre-order, and yes, it's still on pre-order, so it's getting made. Once it's there, we'll like get it to you surely. But meanwhile, look at the beautiful color, Katan silk. Okay, same on same with a plain Katan bottom. But of course, जो सबसे ज़्यादा इसका अच्छा look है वो है kurta, and the dupatta should be of the same material. It looks most glorious in that. 6,000 per meter. If you're going to do, let's do a chinia silk bottom. And we've styled it as an A-line because I think it looks really cool as an A-line. And if you're doing it as an A-line, and we do 2.5 meter chinia silk bottom, and then we do a beautiful 2.5 meter ka dupatta with this fabric, it still comes out to be 38,000 something, Like, agar aap katan karte hain, so of course it'll be 44 something. So that's always a difference. But per se, just wear it as a kaftan, as a bottom, as a cord, as a suit, the way I've worn it. Get some handwork done, keep it flowy and simple. There are just all of these ways. Yes, and the fabric base is katan, so that's something that you should definitely be enjoying. Now, oh my God, isn't that just amazing? This black. And remember, this is katan silk. This is, basically we've done 3 concepts. And I think all of these from a second and the third concept, which is 2, okay, which is a dark color and an off-white color bandi, and then of course 2 colors in the bandi in the base, both of it. Okay, so that's what we are doing. Those are the pieces we are doing. Jinme sab mein hamare paas 6 meter hai. This is amazing. This is to be worn as a kurta, as a dupatta, and as a bottom plain or a same on same. And I'm telling you, the same on same will be amazing. It just gives you that right mix of it being very dressy. Acha, in the season, like the season's round the corner when you're going to be dressing up every other day, then you need something as stylish as this, because really, you skip your jewelry, you wear it a very nice, just some accessories, a nice shoe or a bag, and it looks very, very cool, very classy. Even, you can wear it to any formal event. And then you add on jewelry, you do some handwork, and it starts to kind of look, just that touch of tradition, which kind of makes it look but very, very different. Because For me, we've done a lot of pairing of beautiful red dupattas in bandi with this, and it was looking amazing. So that's something you must try. Lovely heavy red dupattas will look very nice on this one. And the very last one, no, there are two. So the second last one is this one, and I think it is really classy. Two shades of brown together, flowy, easy. Okay, yeah, you can skip on the lining. Okay, so there's no compulsion from our side that you must use lining, but I always say that the fabric will look more graceful, it'll last longer if you do. Okay, it's super soft, there's not much transparency, I mean slightly, but that looks really cool. But बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, but it will last longer, it gives you a nicer effect. That's all that there is. But yeah, from our side there's no compulsion to kind of have it, but for your bottoms you absolutely must have it. Not because it's needed, not that the fabric is weak, but when you sit, there's so much pressure on the seams, you know, that yeah, naturally it kind of makes more sense. Look at that, that's the very last color that I have for you, and that's also the end. We've done this 30 minutes fab power pack. You know, I want to try something. I'm going to try this blue dupatta. I'm just trying to see how it's going to look. Okay, this fabric that I'm wearing, I think pink looks more impactful. I think it looks really nice on its own. This is the most gorgeous dupatta in blue. Okay, and ask me about blue, I'll tell you, I'll give you always my honest opinion. I'm always a little on the edge, but it is so lovely, that one. Okay, and this fabric that I'm wearing is a tussar fabric, which is today again ready to be shipped out. So that's the great news. The last time it came and then it went. So right now we have some of it which is ready to be shipped. We also did dupatta options, we did colors in it, we also did stunning linen meenakari fabrics, we've done bandi fabrics, we've done lot of nice premium cottons as complete sets, which is what I think you want to see, because it just kind of makes so much sense to just get it as a set and wear it instantly. So all of that to kickstart your Monday morning. We are available on WhatsApp, and of course many of you eyeing and closing lots of those gorgeous pieces from last week. Of course we had your Suit Yourself Up series, okay, which is ongoing, of course. So in that, lots of pieces, 10 to 20 premium bandi dupattas, premium silk ones, all there, and of course this. So let's get you started. Bye bye and see you soon.